This is the rice I just made. It's called concoction rice. Oh my god, it's so smoky. Made with palm oil and dry smoked fish. This is it. These are all the catfish. Hello everyone, welcome to Joy Cooking Show. Today I have this concoction rice. I'm gonna be making concoction rice. We also call it traditional native jollof rice. So these are the rice I will be using, and also have crayfish. I have dried shrimps, the smoked one, and also have pepper dried one. I have onions, and these are the fish I will be using. This fish is called aromatic. We call it a dried is a catfish, small catfish. So this is it. I don't know for other Nigerian tribe, but we the Edo, mostly with the Benin, we eat this one a lot. We call it ehembe. So this is the one I will be using to make this jollof rice. So these are the ehembe. It's very delicious, and I will show you how we do that. Just take it out of the stick, wash them very well. If you want to debone it, you can also debone it, but this I'm not going to be deboning it. I'm just going to remove all the sticks. You can also leave it with the stick and just cut the part of the stick off. So, and it's very delicious fish. You will enjoy it with this rice. Oh my god, it's very good. So watch out. If you are new on my channel, you are very welcome. So this is almost Easter. This is what I will be making for my Good Friday anyway. So watch out and see how I am going to make this whole food. It's very delicious. If you are new on my channel, you are very welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also like this video and also share this video. Thank you all, and you are all welcome. Thank you all my subscribers. So right now, these are the rice. I just have to pour it inside the pot to parboil it for at least 5 minutes and wash it now with hard water. So when it boils out, I just have to wash it. So this is it, and I will show you how to do it. You see, you just break it. This is the catfish. You break it off. It's very easy. First you check the part, and you see, you can also remove the catfish from it like this. See, then you can break it off again. See, and you can break out the stick also. They just put this stick just to hold this catfish. See, this is the catfish. Very easy. The same way you do everything like this. So I'm gonna show you how I wash it. So right now I'm just gonna put everything here. Some people debone it, but I am not gonna debone this one. I'm just gonna wash it. But how to wash it? Just boil some water, very warm water. Just add it to it so that the water will just cover it to wash out all the smoke they use in drying it. This is it. Leave it in there for at least 5 minutes before we will rinse it out. So this is how to wash that. And so right now we just pick up all this crayfish. It's very easy. You take off all the parts that you don't want, the legs, everything. After then, you wash them and use it to cook. So the rice is boiled now. I need to wash the rice, so I have to wash it. Then we start the cooking. This is the palm oil I will be using. So remember, it's called concoction rice. So right now we just had 1 cup of palm oil. 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 1 cup of good amount of oil. So right away, I'm not going to let the oil to bleach. Just add all the pepper mix. This is crayfish, onions, and chili pepper. So this is it. I'm gonna let it start cooking, and we're gonna add this shrimps. These are the shrimps. Just add all the shrimps to it and let it cook together. Then before we add the rice. So right now I'm just going to be adding all the ingredients. These are chicken seasoning. It's called chicken beans. Add good amount of feet. Mix everything together. Gonna be adding the peppermint water. Just add some water to it. Mix together very well. And right now we're going to be putting all the dried fish. Remember, we call it ehebe is catfish, dried one. I'm going to add everything to it. So right now, we're going to let it cook together, and we're going to add salt. After then, it will cook for at least 5 minutes before I will let me cover it. I'm gonna be adding salt. So right now, just going to take out all the fish before we put the rice inside. So the fish. Rice now. Right away, we're just going to be adding the rice. Just gonna add a little bit of water. right now I'm just gonna put back all the fish. So, wow, this is the concoction rice. We need to check. Oh my god, this is it. Oh my god, it's cooked already. So this is it. The concoction rice. Ooh. So right now we have to serve this rice. It's cooked already. It's cooked. So all the fish. Please subscribe to my channel, Joy Cooking Show. So it's time to go serve this rice. So this is the rice, is ready and it's time to serve it. So I have to serve this rice right away. See, this is our traditional rice. We call it native concoction rice. So we're just gonna serve it. You have to make it with smoked fish. Very good for you. So these are all the rice. It's ready. We drag it out. And this is it. This is the rice I just made. It's called concoction rice. Oh my god, it's so smoky. Made with palm oil and dry smoked fish. This is it. These are all the catfish that I use. We call it ehembe. This is it, and this is the rice. You can eat it the way you want. It's so good. Thank you all for watching this video with me, and please subscribe to my channel, Joy Cooking Show. Bye for now.
Mommy.